To use PhraseExpress from a portable USB device, first download the portable edition, which you can find here. Open the Explorer, and here you can find the zip file. Double-click it and drag the folder into any folder of your USB device. Then switch to the USB folder, and then you can launch PhraseExpress from there. Before you launch PhraseExpress from the USB stick, make sure that you don't have installed or running PhraseExpress on your host computer. To check this, click the Windows icon, then type in App and select Add and Remove Programs and search for PhraseExpress. If there would be an entry, you would need to uninstall it first. Okay, this is not the case here on this computer, so we can safely launch PhraseExpress from the USB device. Make sure to exit PhraseExpress before you remove the USB device, otherwise you may lose data. Okay, PhraseExpress has been launched. By default, Windows hides the program icons in this submenu, but you can drag and drop it onto the task tray for quick access. You can then use PhraseExpress. With the right mouse click button, you can open the program window and launch a configuration with it. We recommend to keep the software update check enabled, so you're notified about new versions. And the other options are descriptive. As you use PhraseExpress from a portable device, you don't need automatic server connect. If you already have a license key, click on Help and select License Manager. Then click Register locally with the license key. Copy the license key into the clipboard and paste it here. Make sure that there is no excess space or other special character. Then click Register. The software registers the license key online, and the license key is tied to your USB device, so you can use it on any computer where you plug in the USB stick. Now you're ready to go.